Hey everybody, welcome back to Middle Show. I'm in lovely Washington Square Park. It is a widely known fact that women cannot make sound effects with their mouths. And we're gonna prove that fact right now. Let's go. Look, we're in a fountain. Let's ask some people around here. I think that women cannot make sound effects. What do you think about that?
I think we can. Roar!
Own it. Can you do a lion?
No. Roar!
That was almost halfway not terrible. Machine gun.
That's not my repertoire. Do a machine gun.
It sounds like a broken typewriter. Easily the best machine gun we've heard today.
Oh my god.
That is the worst piece of garbage I've ever heard. Poof? Machine gun, not a fairy disappearing. The laser gun.
No.
Laser gun? I've never heard the laser gun.
You know, like the blasters they use in the trash compactor? The walls are closing in.
I don't know what a laser gun sounds like.
There's Han Solo and Luke Skywalker, they're stuck in the trash, and there's like that little snake running around. And you hear him go, I already tried that! You know, he's like really mad. Do you remember that?
Oh yeah, totally.
Boop, boop. Do your ears work? Do like a couple lasers, like pew, 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 pew. Yeah. See what I'm saying? That sounds like someone scooping ice
I'm
cream.
thinking about
I can't do it.
True. You do a helicopter?
No. Maybe you're just not choosing feminine sound effects.
How about the sound effect of giving birth?
Fuck you.
Women can't do sound effects. We're about to have a beatbox battle. Ready? What was that? Fresh. Landmines. My eyes, my eyes. I can't see. These guys can do sound effects of not wearing shirts. Can you do a elephant?
Elephants don't make sound.
What?
You can do like a lamp.
You say a lamp? But do a sheep.
Whoa, those.
Whoa,
hey,
that was kind
wait a
of.
minute.
Wait a
I heard
second.
that.
Something, I don't know what.
Once
Try
more.
that. Try that again. That might be the real deal. Can you do a whale?
See, that was such a good one.
That was good.
It's from Finding
That was legit. Do the whale again.
No.